largely, I think you have to lead by example. If and I mean, I can tell you this from my personal experience also, is that I'm not very big on eating out. So I like eating home cooked food, and I eat seasonal foods. I do a lot of fruits in my diet. So when the kids see this, that this is the family's culture or routine largely, they also tend to follow in those footsteps. So, and you have to also respect them. There are times it's not like my daughter does not eat a burger or a pizza or or a pastry or a donut, right? But now she also knows that okay, these are, and we don't label them as good food, bad food, junk food, or healthy food, etc. These are called sometime foods.
Mm-hmm.
So you now, I think because there's an advantage because I come from a nutrition background, that I can explain it to her that these foods don't nourish you. These are only foods that you eat once in a while just to enjoy. So now
Mm-hmm.
she's come to a stage wherein, if she's had 3 days of, birthday parties back to back, she comes back and she tells me, okay, now this week, I really just want to eat home cooked food.
Mm-hmm.
So it's what they see at home. Now if there is this whole conditioning also that happens, and in India the big conditioning is the Sunday brunch, which is supposed to be
Mm-hmm.
this big elaborate high calorie high fat meal.
Chole bhature.
Chole bhature with some halwa or jalebi or something, or there is rajma chawal, still okay, but I'm just saying that, or it'll
Yeah.
be kachori in Rajasthan with something. So it's an elaborate meal. Now this becomes our conditioning. So in my house, what we've done is, from day one I broke this conditioning.